Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faizan Khan and in this video we are going to learn about this new ChatGPT chatbot. This is an amazing chatbot which will give response to all your questions. So let's see how we can use it. So first of all, you will have to go to this particular website openai.com. You can simply search on Google and then you need to click on here. Since I have already created the account, so I'm simply redirected to the chat window. But for you guys, I'm simply going to log out and show you how you can log in. So I'm sure many of you will be getting this message that ChatGPT is at capacity right now because so many users are trying to log in. What you guys have to do, there's a trick to see the login or the sign up window. You just need to refresh your page again and again. Yeah, so now you can see that our login or sign up page is available. From here, you can simply go to sign up, and here you need to enter your email address and then check this I'm not a robot and then click on continue. It will send you verification on your email, so just simply click on your email to verify it and you will be redirected to the chat window of ChatGPT. Since I have already created an account, so I'm simply going to log in. We are redirected to this chat GPT window. Here you can see this is how the interface looks like. The examples here are shown what things you can ask to this chat GPT. Apart from this, you can ask anything, any topic related to any field. It will answer all your questions. So it has capabilities like it remembers what user said earlier in the conversation, also allows user to provide follow-up corrections, like in between if you have written something wrong and you want to edit that particular message, you can do that. Okay, and it is also trained to decline inappropriate requests, so avoid doing inappropriate requests. And then we have some limitations that it might generate incorrect information occasionally, or some harmful instructions or some biased content, and also it has limited knowledge of events that occurred after 2021. Okay, so I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to create a simple Tkinter GUI application for us. So for that we just need to type here, write a code to create a simple Tkinter app. And once you enter, it will simply generate the answer on the fly. So it is an AI which is generating everything with its own intelligence. It is not copying anything from Google. Okay, so it will generate the complete code for us and we can test whether this code is perfect or not. So without wasting time, let's just copy this code and test on our PyCharm application and see whether this code is working fine or not and what is the result of this code. So we'll open our PyCharm. I have created a new Python file. I'll simply paste the code and we'll right click and we'll run main. And once I do that, you can see a GUI window is created, and on that GUI window one label is created. Press the button and below that label one button is created. Click me, and once I click on this button, let's see what will happen. And once I click on it, the text is changed to hello Tkinter. And if you see on this chat GPT, we have few more options like clear conversations. If you click on it, it will ask you to confirm, and once you confirm, all the previous conversations will be deleted. Okay, and now you can start your new conversation. After that, we have this dark mode. If you want to switch to dark mode, you can simply click on it, and if you want to go back to light mode, you can click it again. Okay, and every time this chat GPT will give you unique answers. Okay, it won't give you the repeated answers. So if I ask the same question again to create a simple Tkinter app, this time it will create another app. Okay, so here's an example of a simple Tkinter app that creates a window with a label that says hello Tkinter. And you can see the explanation over here. This code imports the Tkinter module. So first line is simply importing the Tkinter module. Okay, then creates a Tkinter root window. So then we are creating the root window here. After that, it sets the window title to simple Tkinter app. So here you can see that it is setting the window title. After that, it creates a label widget with the text hello Tkinter. After that, it is creating a label with the text hello Tkinter, and then packs the label onto the window. And after that, it is simply positioning this label on our window with the help of pack method. Finally, it enters the Tkinter event loop to display the window and react to events. So this main loop method is used to see your window continuously on the screen. Let me just copy the question again from here. You will see it will again write a unique code. Okay, this time it is using one function. So this time it has generated this code and then it described what the code does. Okay, so let me just copy this code and run it. Now what it has done, it has created a button. So when I'll click on this button, the text will be changed to button was clicked. Okay, we can also ask it to do modifications in the code. For example, if I want to increase the window size, the button size, we can do that. Increase the button size, window size, and change the background color of window to red. So if we will write this message, the chat GPT already knows the previous conversation that we are having with it. Okay, so it knows which window we are talking about. So it has simply modified the code for us. Okay, and also given the description of what does the code do. So I'll simply copy it and will rerun it to show you what changes are there now. So you can see the button size is increased. Okay, the window size is increased and the window background color is changed to red. In the same way, we can ask it to do further more modifications. So I hope this is clear how this chat GPT is working. Apart from this, you can also do the changes in the already asked questions. We can simply edit it to ask it to do something else. And whatever changes we'll make here, it will regenerate the code for us. So instead of Tkinter app, let me just write a code to create a simple Python app. So once I'll simply save it, it will regenerate the answer for us. Okay, this is generating a simple Python command line app that takes user input and prints a message. So see how amazing this is. And after that, what it has done, that it has also created a GUI Python app using Tkinter, which prompts a message box. And apart from this, I can ask ChatGPT to write a complete YouTube description for this above code. Okay, just like you see on each video of YouTube, there is some description, right? Now we don't have to type the description manually. This ChatGPT can help us in doing that. for above. Okay, so it will remember that above what the conversation is, and accordingly it will provide you the result. So this chat GPT has provided the description for this particular code where we are seeing the message box, hello world, and also for this command line Python code. So in upcoming videos, I'm going to tell you more about this chat GPT. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.